and welcome to today's video. Grab yourself a beverage. This is part of my summer phase, an iced tea. Mine's peach. And let's get started. So these are my summer favorites, my summer essentials. Let's start off with SPF because that's the most important in protecting our skin. I'm currently using these two, which I absolutely love. I've spoken about the Heliocare Advanced Gel. Love this. And the ultraviolet SPF 50, which I've spoken a lot about. This is incredible under makeup because it's like a primer. So makeup goes on this beautifully. So I really, really love this. I like both of them very, very much. So always have a UV for your face. I like an SPF 50. Then for body, I've got, this is my favorite for body, is the Hawaiian Tropic. It's the Silk Hydration Protective Sun Lotion with hydrating ribbons, SPF 30. This is really great, like to just put on arms, legs, chest, because I'm always walking and I'm in the sun. And yesterday I didn't put any on for some reason and I got a little bit of a burnt shoulder. So I really recommend this because you can just put it on as a body lotion after you shower. It's really nice and it smells that gorgeous summery smell. It's lovely. I love this. I always use this every year. Then I've got, should we stick with the SPFs? Okay, we'll stick with SPFs. So that's SPF face and body, and then we've got SPF for lips. I've got these two lip glosses that I absolutely love, and of course they're exactly the same color. This is the Suntegrity sunscreen lip gloss. I love this. It's called, what's it called? Summer Fling, 03 Summer Fling. And I saw one of the those California derms using this, and I was like, I have to have it. That's got a really nice mauvey shade, and I love to top that over darker lipsticks. And then you've got the ultraviolet, which is the SPF 50 screen Sheen, which really, it looks like it's got a color, but not really. See? It's really subtle. So if you just wanted to wear liner and this, it'd be perfect. I'll hold it on top of what I've got. So nice. So nice. Okay. And then keeping in with like face and body, and somebody did ask me about a tanner that doesn't turn you orange. I like a gradual tan. For me, it's so much easier. You don't have to worry about it getting patchy or, you know, coming off in weird ways. I like a gradual tanner, and my favorite is the Dove Dermaspa Summer Revival. I have gone through tubes of this. It is lovely. The second time you use this, you're already tanned. So this is you know, this is all this. And I went and had my nails done the other day, and she said, oh yeah, that looks really nice with your tan. I'm like, tan? It's this. It's very easy to use if you're not one for applying fake tan, because I can't be bothered. I feel like it's a whole rigmarole, isn't it? Whereas this, I just put it on after a shower and it's perfect. Now, if you want a good tanner, Tan Luxe. That is probably my favorite tanning brand, Tan Luxe. The tanning water, amazing. They also do a gradual tan that I'd like to try. But if you want an actual tanner, then Tan Luxe, definitely. They do face oils, face drops, everything beautiful. But this is a really lovely one, and it gives a really lovely bronze color. So I don't necessarily want to tan, I just want a bronze glow, and that's what this does. It smells gorgeous, it's moisturizing, really moisturizing, and it gives skin a lovely glow, and I always feel really happy when I've applied this. So this is one of my favorites for summer. Then scent. Now all my perfumes are pretty much winter based, so I don't tend to buy summer fragrances because summer's only 2 months here really. Okay, maybe 3 months. But I do love a body spray. Now I picked this up in Boots. It's the Delicious Destinations Body Mist, Cactus Flower and Red Ginger. This smells like, it smells like Bobbi Brown Beach. It is insane. It smells exactly like Bobbi Brown Beach. And this is $1.99. And I love it. Because you know, with your sunscreen, it's got that lovely coconut smell. And this, you don't really need, you know, perfume's going to evaporate because it's alcohol, isn't it? It's just going to disappear. So I like something like this that's refreshing, that I can carry around and spritz, and it smells of my favorite Bobbi Brown perfume. and it's really affordable. I really rate their sprays, really, really good. They've got another one that I like that smells exactly like a Victoria's Secret one that I used to love. So highly rate this. I mean, are they strimming grass now? I don't know what's going, I told you about this like when the sun comes out, but it's actually quite cloudy. Anyway, I hope it's not coming up on the camera. Right, next up, bronzer. You've got to have a bronzer, and I'm wearing two today. My favorites are NARS Laguna, which this is going to give you just a gorgeous, gorgeous glow. I love this bronzer. And then I like to top it with, sometimes, not all the time, my Hourglass Ambient Lighting in Luminous Bronze Light, which I love. Just hold on a minute, I can't concentrate with this noise. There's strimming and leaf blowing at the same time. Okay, where was I? Bronzers. I've lost my train of thought. Okay, oh yes, yeah, bronzers. The next thing I wanted to show you is a pair of shorts, because like I said, summertime, I don't know what to wear. Oh my gosh, you know, it's like I'm not going to invest in loads of summer clothes because it's not hot all the time. But to be fair, England is becoming like the Costa del Sol, so maybe I should invest in lots of summer clothes. Anyway, I keep buying these bloody Levi shorts and they're just too tight on the thigh. I don't want to look like a sausage. I can't bear it, and I don't like the way that it comes, you know, I need some coverage, some grown-up shorts. So I saw someone on Instagram and she was wearing exactly the kind of shorts I want, and they're from Hush. I love Hush as a brand. These are them. They just fit really nicely. They're not tight on the bum. They just look nice, and they don't come up too high either. So it's the kind of shorts that I like, and oh my god, I can't even breathe. So nice with a linen shirt or something, you know, they're really nice. They're a good brand. I like it. Yes. Then I bought these because I thought I've just got my toes painted. And I thought, oh, I need some open sandals. And I love a Birkenstock. And these are gorge. They are the Suede Birkenstock. They're lovely, this sort of colour. I love these. I got these in a children's size 2 narrow because I've got very small feet and very narrow feet. So I really love these. And with the shorts, it's so lovely. And you can wear it with dresses, you can wear it with jeans. It's just a really nice relaxed shoe, and these are comfortable the second you wear them. They are comfortable, so I highly recommend these. And oh, I've got one last thing to show you, hold on, at least, because it wouldn't be a favourites without something to eat, a snack. These are Little Moon's Mochi ice cream. This is the passion fruit and mango, and these are the most delightful things you've ever tasted. I love these. I'm not a huge ice cream person, so I don't like to eat a whole bowl of ice cream, and I like my ice cream hard. I don't like it melted or soft. So this is perfect for me. And I just love the like rice paper thing that's around it. So they look like this. Get you out. You've got to, there, they look like this. And you've got to wait at least 5 minutes, and then you bite into them, and you've got the lovely passion fruit and mango ice cream, and then you've got the it's like a chewy thing around it. It's just so nice. Oh my god, these are for summer. They're so refreshing, and they're just, oh my god. Yeah, ice cream wrapped in soft rice dough, totally tropical. I got these in Sainsbury's, and they've got some other flavors. They're just so refreshing. Oh my goodness, especially in these hot days. Just this little, I call them moshlings. Just these little things. Oh, anything that's chewy, I love it. I don't wait 5 minutes because I literally like to break my teeth on them. So highly recommend these. They are gorgeous. So there we are. Those are my summer favorites. It's what I've been using, what I've been liking, what I've been loving, what I've been wearing. I hope you're enjoying the summer or the winter, because you could be in Australia. Let me know below some of your summer favourites, and maybe your favourite Starbucks drinks, because I always go for a peach iced tea because I don't know what else to get. Yeah, so I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a great week, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.